right, today we're gonna see just what will it take to shoot through a master lock. We're gonna start with something small and work our way up. Our bullets today, we're gonna start off with a 22. And Brett, what's the progression in bullets here that we're gonna use?
We do 22, 9, 45, 223, and then Smith & Wesson 500.
There you have it. So let's see what happens. Oh yeah, and this is Ty. He's new. So everybody, welcome Ty to the shooting. All right, so here we are. 22 first off. We're gonna be, I don't know, probably a good 50 feet or so away. Let's give it a shot.
How about that AR?
And here we go. AR-22. Pew pew.
Where's that?
All right, shot it with the AR-22, and then it didn't even phase it. Jeez. All right, let's try this again. Okay, change of venue.
I don't know if it'll...
We're hanging it by the gong. Maybe.
I don't know.
Okay, maybe not.
Okay, try it again. You want to take it?
Okay, we're gonna hang it this way. See what happens. All right, here's the lock. We shot it a few more times with the 22, and the bullet was actually stuck to the lock, and it just barely dimpled it.
Broke off a little plastic piece.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Ooh.
So was that...
Yeah, there were two shots.
But I thought I didn't hit it that one time.
No, I did.
You shot it twice?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Yep. All right. So we're going to move up from the 22 now. All right, next up to bat, the 9mm. Opened it up, but still not unlocked. Let's turn this around and try again. All right, next up to bat, the 45. Whoa!
Everything's loaded over there. Safeties are on, but just keep in mind there's bullets in every one.
All right, it went airborne. It's over here somewhere. Let's see. Somebody made a mess with the paint.
Right to the top.
All right.
Right here.
Okay, here it is. Let's see if it's unlocked. Still
Should have been
unlocked.
On the other side.
So that's the side we shot it on. Didn't even phase it. Oh man. All right, Brett, what's next?
223? Or do you want to shoot it with the 44? No.
Okay, 223 next, up to bat. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, went right through the 223. And it's still locked. We're gonna have to remedy that. What's next, Brett?
Well, 500.
500.
That's all we got left.
Shooting it with the 500.
I don't know where I hit.
I think just the wind from that round made it fall.
Dang it.
I don't think you hit it. Unless you went through the same hole I did.
Nope.
Doubt it.
Well,
He missed earlier and blew up a paint can. All right, with the ammo being as expensive it is for the 500, we're gonna switch to the 45. All right, now we got to find out where everything went. Here's the cover. Here's the hook. Put that back on. Here's part of the lock.
Did you actually hit the hook?
Um,
Or the actual locking mechanism itself? Like,
I don't know what was hit, but that is the locking mechanism,
yeah, you must have hit it.
and he shot it. So you can shoot right through it. Doesn't mean that it'll unlock it. I'm not gonna lie, it took a while to get this far. So now we're just gonna shoot stuff because it's more fun. So now you know what'll go through a master lock. And it might also just depend on where you hit it. But shooting it right in the middle won't kill it. So thanks for watching. Say goodbye, Brett.
Bye, Brett.
Say goodbye, Ty.
See ya.